A few words about hair and makeup. Please book the stylist in advance, but this I already told. I don't want to emphasize it more, but I have to, because it's such a thing. All your pictures and videos will include your look, so you really need to like it. And how would you like it if you don't know what to expect? So please do some trials, and do real trials, not just when you come to the stylist and you discuss how it might look like, how she sees you, maybe you show some pictures, but really get ones ready as it would be during the wedding day. And ideally book a photo shooting afterwards, the same day after your day trial, after your makeup trial, because then you can check how it looks in the pictures, your style. It's not just the same feeling when you look in the pictures with your makeup and when you look in the mirror with your makeup. It could be two completely different feelings in the end. So my advice would be the following. Choose your stylist in advance, book some real trials together with the photo shooting afterwards, because you will have these nice pictures of you and your beloved one, and you could use them, for example, to prepare your guest book. I think this is a nice idea. What do you think? Don't forget to buy shoes in advance and wear them before the wedding, and wear them like a lot, because new shoes, they tend to be not that comfortable first time you wear them. So just avoid this painful feeling in the end of the day or regret regarding your shoes. Buy them in advance and wear them, please, before the wedding. They should not be completely new, just the opposite. They have to be very, very comfortable during your wedding day.